Greetings, class. I wanted to do something that I think will help you for our discussion that's due on Sunday and just for the paper in general. I want to talk about how to write the thesis for this paper and how to write the second paragraph. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to take us to a Word document. Now, how to write the thesis. What am I looking for? How to write the thesis. I would say, one, mention both ads. Mention the name of both ads or product of both ads. Mention the strategies they are using. And then mention which one is better. So if I'm writing my thesis, let's say I'm comparing Nike to Adidas. When looking, here's an example. When looking at the Nike and Adidas advertisements, they are both using ethos and pathos, but the Nike ad is better because it has logos. Now, not every ad you use is going to have all three strategies. Some ads don't have logos, but in my thesis, I want to make it clear what I'm comparing. I'm comparing Nike and Adidas. That's what I'm doing. I want to make it clear what strategies they are using, and I want to clarify which one is better. So that's what I'm looking for in the thesis. And remember, I want the thesis to be one sentence and the last sentence of the introduction. So one of your homework assignment for this Sunday is to write your thesis. And when you write your thesis, this is what I'm looking for. I want to see the products, I want to see the strategies, and which one is better. Now, how to write the second paragraph. One, I would want to mention both ads right away. And two, I want to mention it, address that you are summarizing them. You are summarizing them. So this paragraph, I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to spend the first half of the paragraph summarizing the first advertisement, and then the second half, I'm going to summarize the second advertisement. But I want to have a good topic sentence, example topic sentence. I might say, in order to understand the Nike and Adidas ads, it's important to summarize them, right? So what I did in my topic sentence, that I did mention both ads, because what does a topic sentence do? It captures what the paragraph is about. And what is this paragraph doing? It's looking at two ads, right? And it's also saying, we're going to summarize them. We're going to summarize these. And so once I have this, I would go into the Nike ad. I would summarize it objectively. Remember, so no opinion. I'm not going to say this advertisement is great. This advertisement is exciting. I'm not looking strategies at pathos or ethos or anything here. I'm just telling you what I see in the ad. In this ad, I see Michael Jordan wearing shoes, and it says, just do it. There might be a little bit more, but that's all I'm doing. I don't want to give my opinion when I'm summarizing something. I want to stay removed from it. And this is a skill that a lot of people have trouble with, but it's something that's important in academic writing. Sometimes you have to be able just to summarize something. So we're going to summarize it, no opinion. So I spend the first half of the paragraph talking about the Nike ad. Then I have a transition. I have a furthermore, in addition, moreover, one of those types of words, a good transition word. And then I look at the Adidas ad and I'd summarize it objectively. No opinion. Just what do I see? That's what I want to deal with. What do I see in this advertisement? And then I want to end with so here I'm just gonna, once I do this Nike ad, I spend the first half of the paragraph on the Nike ad, then I have a good transition, and then I spend the second half of the paragraph on the Adidas ad. And I want to summarize it, no, objectively, no opinion, just what do I see? And then I want to end this paragraph with a summary / transition. I need to say something like, now that it's clear what these advertisements contain, it's important to look at the strategies they are using. Because my next couple paragraphs, I'm going to get into ethos and pathos of these advertisements. So for the thesis, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this structure. And for the second paragraph, I'm asking you to sandwich both ads together. Spend half of the paragraph talking about the first ad, the second half of the paragraph writing about the second ad. You'll need transitions in between them. And remember to stay objective. There's no opinion here. You're not telling me what you like, what you enjoy, what you hate. You're not evaluating at all. All you're doing is summarizing. So I hope this will help you. I think it'll give you good guidance in terms of what I'm looking for specifically. Thank you for listening.